Uh, Hello guys. So today we are going to perform uh, our sixth practical. That is, we have to see the different methods of a list. So we'll move towards the script. So for practical number six, I have already built a script. I just want to show you. So I'm open with ideally. Okay, so here in first program of list, so first see how to means uh, I have already created a empty list. Okay, you have to insert a list in that list elements. Okay, so here I have already specified a variable through it will accept the input from users at the runtime. Okay, so for accepting n number of elements in the list, we'll apply the loop here. Okay, and at that time we are collecting different inputs. Okay, okay, in the what we can say in numbers. Okay, and that particular numbers are going to append in that particular list. Okay, so these are the elements, and we have specified this number. So how much time, yeah, or what we can say, uh, how much time we want to means how many numbers you want for the summation. So you have to specify here. Okay, and that time that much time iterations are going to be run. Okay, and that number of elements are going to be added in a list, plus it's going to be perform summation operation, and it's going to be show you the result. Okay, this is the first program. Second one is we are going to multiply all the items in the list. So we have specified a list here. Okay, the list elements are 8, 2, 3, -1 and 7. So we are going to multiply that elements. Okay, so for we are specify the function over here. Okay, we are going to what we can say apply a loop over here, and we are going to apply all the elements. Okay, over here total multiply is equals to x. That means total is equals to total into x. Okay, so it's going to be multiply by n number of elements, and it will directly going to multiply all the it will perform all the iterations till the end of the elements. Okay, and it's going to be return the total. Okay, so it's that total is going to be printed. Okay, so next is uh, we have to find the largest number. So the list is already specified here. So we already know that list we can specify the list in a square bracket, and n number of elements are separated by comma, separated values. Okay, and we are going to just print a list. Okay, after that we are using max function. Through max function where we can find out the maximum value within this list elements. Okay, like this we can use main function also. Okay, if you want to print list in a reverse order, so you can use reverse function. Okay, so it will help you to reverse the list. Okay, so next is if you want to find the common items, so you can use and or we can say a logical and. Okay, through which you can what we can say you can compare the elements, and find out the common elements, and you can able to print that element. Okay, so next is if you want to find the even items, so our logic that is we can apply the number mod 2 is equals to 0. So we are finding whether after division or division by 2, if remainder is going to be 0, then number is even. Okay, so we are applying the same logic, and we are finding the even numbers from the given list. So like a way, all these programs or the operations regarding the list are I have already mentioned for the with or explain with the some examples. Okay, so I'm going to just what we can say, execute this script, so you will get idea how the result is going to be shown. Okay, so we'll start first our command prompt, that is cmd. After that we are switching to the D drive. Then I just want to change the path, so here I am going to change our path. Okay, after that I want to execute practical number 6. Okay, so we have to specify first Python. Okay, then our script name, that is prac6 dot py. Okay, so so our first program is for summation. So how many numbers you want in that particular list? So I specify 5, so you have to enter 5 numbers. So I am entering suppose 8, 9, 5, 4 and 6. So you will get the sum of that particular list, that is number of element, that is 32. If you want, if we have already specified the list element in second program, 8, 2, 3, -1 and 1. Okay, right over here. So we are multiplying the number of elements, so we'll get the result, that is 336. We are finding the largest number, so this is a list and we are finding largest number using max function, that is 324. Okay, in this specific list we are going to find the smallest number using min function, that is the smallest number is 45, so it is displayed over here. Next is, if you want to reverse the list, so these are the list elements. We can use reverse function and directly the elements are going to be shown in a reverse order. Okay, by using AND function we can what we can say, find out the common elements from the two lists. So here white and green are the common elements, so that elements are going to be shown over here. If you want to find the even numbers from the list, so we already applied that logic, and according to the logic, so 10, 4 and 66 are the even numbers, are from the list are displayed. So thank you guys, this is our practical number 6. We are going to see tuple operations in our next practical. Thank you guys.